HP has a lot of development and familiarity with paper. You know, we've been developing paper and coatings for paper with our inks for decades. And this is an example of a poster paper that was specifically developed recently for Gen 3 and Gen 5 latex. This is the HP Premium Poster Paper, and it's got a little more weight to it than the HP White Satin Poster Paper. It's a little more rigid. This is not a wet strength paper. I downloaded this preset, which was just recently developed, and I believe the preset will have a V2 on the back. Okay, look for that. It's the most recent one. So make sure you check, because there are 2 downloadable presets, and there may be an old one that is on your printer. Make sure you update and download the latest version of this HP preset for the premium poster paper. I ran this on a 560. I ran it with and without a take-up reel. I used the one that you downloaded, and I built my own. Both of them were very close to one another. I ran a 12 pass with just a hair more ink, and they ran a 10 pass with a hair less, and both of them looked really good. This is the 12 pass, the 10 pass looked great. Nice paper, nice product, very economical. This is the standing replacement for the HP photorealistic poster paper, which sold with the Gen 1 and Gen 2 latexes. I do not recommend the photorealistic poster paper for a 300 or a 500 series. This is the replacement, which is the HP Premium Poster Paper. This is what replaces that paper, and this is a very nice choice. It complements our product line perfectly. It sits at just the right price point. It has all the hallmarks of the photorealistic, except it works a lot better on the 3 and 500 series than did the photorealistic poster paper. And that has to do with the chemistry change. You know, when we introduced the optimizer, the way the printer operates on a 365, for example, is very different from the way the printer worked on a 260. A 260 will run photorealistic poster paper all day long. It would run this probably certainly as well, but the 360 does not like that older paper. It will not allow you to put enough heat or ink on it, and the prints will be underwhelming even if you do get it to work. This is a much better choice. So HP Premium Poster Paper, make sure you download the latest version. So go to the media locator and download it in the printer just to make sure. And if there are 2 versions then on your printer, delete the old one. This is the newest one. This is the one you want. There were some modifications. There's a newest version. Check the date. All of the presets will have a date on them, and I believe it also says V2 on it. So just make sure you get the latest one. Great product, highly recommended.